And that lake effect snow warning was lifted in northwest Indiana about an hour ago.
But the after effects of the storm will be felt for days. Here's CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli.
Lookout Point in Dune Acres was looking pretty desolate today. It's just one effect of the lake effect, a snowstorm which took over the bench and really the entire beach. While there wasn't much snow falling when we stopped by in the morning, bands of snow lashed northwest Indiana overnight.
It was challenging.
Mike Kitzman should know. He drove through the storm.
It was bad. You almost couldn't see. It was very bad, lake effect.
This video from Porter County shows one squall that passed over I-94 before dawn, creating hazardous conditions. Drivers like Polly Costanza had to adjust.
We turned a corner and we couldn't see more than 10 feet in front of us.
And the bands of snow can move in quickly, often in a scattered pattern. And it might be snowing on one block and then on the next block.
It's not snowing.
That's just the lake effect.
That's the lake effect.
Lake effect snow is generated when a cool air mass moves over the warmer waters of the lake. That air mass picks up vapors, which are then sent skyward. They then freeze and fall back to Earth, ultimately as snow. The first snow in more than 80 days was enough to keep plow drivers busy and to keep Costanza's sons home from school. Are they out of school because of the snow?
They're out of school because of the weather, yes.
Just one more effect of a late winter lake effect storm. In Ogden Dunes, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News.
Although the warning's been lifted, blowing and drifting snow could still present a problem in some areas, forcing drivers to slow down.